This one's going to be very short.
Well, if you couldn't tell by her saying that this is going to be a short video, we're talking about things she actually likes about my car. So, let's just get right into it. What do you actually like about my awesome perfection of a car out there?
You're in it. Okay, the tires.
That was nice.
Tires.
The tires?
The wheels.
The wheels?
No, wait. You're making me feel really stupid.
Do you know which part is the wheel and which is the tire?
The tires, the rubber. And
Yeah.
the wheel, sorry.
The wheel. You like the
When I
wheels?
say tires, I think the whole thing.
The whole entire thing. That's what I say wheels. In the whole thing. Anyway, you like the wheels.
The wheels.
That's one.
No, that's two.
It's two.
Because I said you.
Oh, me. Wow.
Okay.
Things that you like about my car.
The wheel.
Oh, the steering wheel.
Steering wheel.
Okay, I just did those.
Steering wheel.
Steering wheel. Why?
Okay, come on. What else do I like?
What else do you like? It's right up there.
I like the black.
What black?
You know,
On the wheels?
that and
The
the
wing?
mirrors.
You like all the parts that are black.
Yeah.
You don't like color, do you?
Oh. I like you.
Good save.
Thanks.
Okay. What else?
The seats are comfortable.
They are. I love those seats. I don't want to get rid of them.
Your windows work. I like that.
Getting kind of desperate. What else?
Your lights. They're nice.
They just work.
You know? Kind of different things.
They didn't work last night. Or when I got pulled over twice.
Wait, did you pull over us?
No, not last night.
Okay.
Its blinkers didn't work, but now they work when it turned it on today. So. What else do you like about my car? This is going to be a short video. We're almost 4 minutes in.
I was thinking it's probably 5 minutes.
The video is going to be like 2 then.
The shift.
The shift knob?
Yeah.
Do you like the leather things that cover it? The black with the red stitching?
The actual knob.
Yeah, okay.
I like the color.
It's black.
I know.
Oh, you're going to like my black
Wait,
car then.
black isn't a color, it's a shade.
That's what I'm saying.
I like the black.
I
I
like
like
you.
the shade.
No.
More.
Wrong. I beat you in rock, paper, scissors. 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 Get chopped!
You're a charge.
You're a chotch. Get roasted.
That's
Is that
basically
it?
it.
That's it. So,
That's sad.
we almost got a 4.5 minute recording time on this full thing. So, this video is probably going to be a good minute and 30 seconds or something. That's it. Give this a shot with your girlfriend or significant other fellow person. Yeah. I don't know. Try it with any non-car guy. You'll kind of see what people think of your car. Apparently my car identifies as a homosexual, as I've been told by other people. They told me, hey, your car is gay. I was unaware, but I've been enlightened.
Pretty sure gay means happy.
Oh, gay does mean happy. They do like my car. They have a happy car.
Good job.
Yeah. Alright. That's it for this one. Go ahead, leave your hate in the comments, all the good stuff. Dislike, unsubscribe. Bye.